All right, everybody, proof sets. I love them. I know you do as well. It's one of our top sellers. But it's been a real long time since we've had certified high-end proof sets. Proof sets being the best, certified proof sets being the best of the best. I have two that are unconscionable for rarity and price. Let's take a peek. The years, 1963, the last year of the Franklin half dollar. And the year 1964, the last 90% silver and the first 90% silver Philadelphia struck Kennedy half dollar. These are, by the way, the last two Philadelphia proof sets. San Francisco took over in 1968. So tonight, we're talking about NGC certified 68s, every single one of them. Which means these came from poly packs, everybody, poly packs. So the poly packs, there are no 70s, and 69s are priceless, very few of them as sets. So then you're looking at, well, where are the affordable sets? And that's where all of a sudden this steps in. Now, regular proof sets, my competition's at $79 to $89 for just the set in the envelope, that poly pack. And then you get into these sets. There were 3 million 63s and 3.9 million 64s. So at the height of people collecting proof sets. Then we have 1980 and silver goes to $50 an ounce and lots of stuff gets destroyed, including the proofs. And then later in that decade, NGC starts certifying coins. So they've been doing that now for 35 plus years. Out of that 3 million and 3.9 million, these are all that are known. Now again, there's 5 individual coins in this set. So each one of them has a population. How many are made or how many have been certified? We know how many were made. The winner and champion of the 1963 set isn't the cent or the half dollar, the copper and or the big silver. It's the dime with only 4,140. So out of 3 million and change proof sets struck in 1963, there are only 4,140 of them known today. Now my competition has that set at $299, same exact set, same exact grade, same exact grading service. Saving tonight $100. The last Franklin set, there you have it. The Kennedy set, which is 3.9 million, so basically 1 million more sets. The quarter is close, but this coin that locks down is the cent. So 1964, it's that Lincoln cent, that's the most limited of them all. And they were at 9,449, so less than 10,000 sets are known of that. So think of this. Of the Kennedy half dollars, there are less than 10,000 sets known that are 68 or higher. That is something special. Competition on that one, also $299. So we are more than $100 less, yet we both have the identical sets, all 5 coins, in that gorgeous, gorgeous 8 condition. Now today, let's just talk out loud. Earlier this year, if you're working with us, these are silver proof sets, by the way. The dime, quarter, and half dollar are 90% silvers. Philadelphia struck all the proof sets from 64 back. And our friends in San Francisco took over in 68. Going forward. So if we look at the last couple of years of certified perfect proof sets, or even the silvers, the 2022, or even last year's 2021, which is closer in coin count, right? Because they only had 2 quarters last year, making it a 7-piece set, where numbers are stronger because the techniques are better for making coins today. It's logical, but still tiny. And you're looking at $350 to $450 a set. You're going back a half a century and then a little bit to get these 63s and 64s, the last of the Philadelphia silver proof sets. knowing that they're tiny. Again, that 63 is half of what the 64 set is. Half. 4140 versus 9449. Out of 3 million and 3.9 million, which means both of them ridiculously special. Guys, we got to put 30-second clock up down the single digits. The 64 is outselling the 63 right now, which always happens, by the way, because they're both crazy scarce. But that first and only Kennedy in this high grade, in this proof set, it just always kind of goes together. Popularity index does matter, and we all know that it does, and that's okay. I'm a big Franklin fan because I love the undervalued nature, but these are technically synonymous with each other. Other than rarity, the 63 is a bit rarer than the 64. Percentage-wise, they're kind of close, 3 million to 3.9. But the bottom line tonight is our competition is at $299 each. And we're at $189.95 while they last. You got to join us.